Alright, Roborock DYAD PRO owners, ever had this happen? You dock your trusty vacuum, expecting it to juice up for the next cleaning mission and nothing. Just a stubborn refusal to charge? That dreaded moment your Roborock DYAD Pros just gives up on charging? It's often a sign of a faulty battery. Leaving it uncharged means no quick spot cleans, and let's be honest, that's one of the best bits. Plus, trying to force a charge or attempting a risky home repair could lead to bigger issues or even void your warranty. But the real danger? Thinking, how hard can it be to swap a battery? Inside that compact handheld is a powerful lithium-ion battery. Attempting a DIY repair without expertise isn't just risking further damage to your DYAD Pro. We're talking potential thermal runaway, fancy term for overheating, dangerous chemical leaks, and yes, a very real fire hazard that can ruin furniture or worse. But don't despair, and definitely don't let it gather dust. RoboCare specializes in these exact issues. At RoboCare, we're not just general repair folks, we're specialists, and the Roborock DYAD Pro is a machine we know inside and out. Our trained technicians have extensive experience specifically diagnosing and resolving this charging problem. We understand the delicate electronics and the precise nature of its battery system. When your DYAD Pro comes to us, we don't just guess. We use proper diagnostic procedures to confirm the faulty battery. Then, our expert repair process involves carefully disassembling the unit, safely removing the old battery, and replacing it with a genuine component. We ensure everything is reassembled perfectly so it works like new. But seeing is believing, right? Let's check out the results. And boom! After RoboCare works its magic, your DYAD Pro is back to full power. Charging perfectly, cleaning flawlessly. That's the RoboCare difference. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I am just so incredibly happy with the service I received from RoboCare. They were professional, efficient, the communication was excellent, and most importantly, they fixed my DYAD Pro perfectly. No more frustration, no more having to lug out the big vacuum for tiny messes.
Is your robot vacuum acting up? Don't throw it out. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our convenient nationwide courier service.